Hey, this is just kind of a fun video. I know we've done glow plug videos before, but I ran into one that's kind of neat, setting codes in the glow plug circuit. It's a, I don't know, about an 04 Sprinter 2.7 inline 5-cylinder diesel. So it has 5 cylinders, so it has 5 glow plugs. And the reason I'm bringing this up is because it had codes in it that say the glow plug circuit is shorted or open. Well, they were shorted. There's 3 that are okay and 2 that are bad, and this is just fun. I'm going to do a quick example of one that's good and what it's supposed to do.
So what are you hooking up? A battery?
I'm hooking up 12 volts to it. See, that's what the ignition would do when you're doing a cold start. It makes a glow plug glow.
Okay.
That's its job. Preheats the combustion chamber, warms up the fuel, makes it easier to start, okay? So that one tests okay. When I went to test this one, there's actually 2. I'm grounding it here. This is the ground casing. And there's a resistor inside that goes through the little tip. When you add 12 volts here, it heats this up, makes it glow like you saw. This one, I don't know how long I could do this, is shorted inside. And when I touch it, it actually
wow.
starts to fry up here in the ground casing. So when the glow plug controller gets a signal, when you turn on the key to add voltage here, it's shorted and it shuts down the controller. So your glow plug circuit doesn't work and it sets a check engine light. So that's one of the bad ones. This one I didn't test as long, but I think it's the same. Yeah, see.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
okay.
Look, blew the top off it.
Oh, my. It literally just blew it off.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know if I can touch it.
Yeah, it's probably hot.
I don't want to melt this toolbox liner. There. Jeez. There. Yep, that one's... And now you can see the inside of the glow plug. See that little bar? So corrosion has gotten down inside and probably rusted it to the outside casing. That's why it's shorted. And
corrosion as in moisture?
Moisture, right. Moisture got down in and around the seal of the glow plug and filled it with moisture.
And how would the moisture get into...
Well, the glow plug is a 2-part piece, and from the factory, the inside goes in insulators. So the insulator got old, and moisture worked its way down inside and corroded it. You can see the corrosion here. It's rusted. And rusted it to the outside housing. So now it shorts, and I put enough voltage to it.
It just blew it off.
It burned it off and popped out.
Right.
That was kind of fun. Anyway, that was our fun video for the morning. That and a cup of coffee will get you running. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you want us to send us links to our new videos.
Fleet Authority.
FleetAuthority.com.